Hi, in this video I want to show you how to download the driver that is required for your Brother label printer. For this video I'll use mine, that is a QLA20NWB, but if you have a different models, well, it's the same steps that I will show you. I'll be using a PC computer and showing you how to install the Brother P-Touch software at the end, because most people will really enjoy using that software that makes printing labels much more easy. So let's get started right away. I will assume that you have already connected the Brother printer to the same Wi-Fi network as the computer you intend to use it with. Next step is to go on the Brother website. So over here, I simply have typed in Google Brother and the model name of my printer, and one of the first link should be from the official Brother website. Then select Windows, select your version of Windows and press OK. Now we have multiple options. I recommend this one over here, Software Document Installer, recommended. So go ahead, click on it, go down, select I agree, and the download will start. It's very quick. Open the file that just got downloaded, press yes, press agree. And then from this first page that will be presented to you, since we're connecting the printer using Wi-Fi and not a USB cable, we're going to select manual select. Now it's time to search for the exact name of your printer and click on it. This is mine. I'll select English, press OK. Now it's time to select what you would like to download. So over here you have manual, and I don't want to download the manual, so I will uncheck this, but you can keep it check. What's important to keep check is printer driver, because we absolutely need it, and the other ones that are quite important if you want to create new labels. Press OK. Now it's time to enter the serial number. On this model, the serial number will be located right over here. You need to remove the paper to be able to fully see it. Okay, it's right over there. This is my serial number. Please don't copy it because it will not work. Use your personal serial number that is on your device. Okay, I have typed the last 9 characters of my serial number right over here, and then I'll press submit. Agree. And now simply wait. You're gonna get this window after a few minutes, could be also 10 minutes, so just be patient. And we need to select how we would like to connect the printer. So in this case, I will select wireless network. But you can also connect it using the other methods if you wish. I'll press next. Then this window will appear. You simply have to click on your Brother printer, make sure it's highlighted in blue, and press next. Then you're gonna press the finish button once you see installation complete. Okay, installation complete, perfect. I'll press finish. Now once that one is done, you're gonna go back into downloads, the same page where you were before, where you have downloaded the software and document installer. And this time, if you go down, you're gonna go into P-Touch Editor. This is a software that will help you create labels and print them a lot easier than if you don't have the software. So what I suggest is you go over here and you go under P-Touch Editor, this one, the last one, I mean at the time of filming this video, that's the last one, and you're gonna download it. So while this one is downloading, if you want to print a label without the software, well, you simply have to open it. It should be already created. So in my case, I have created one on Photoshop earlier, and it looks like this. And to print it, you have to select the print button, select your printer on the left side, your paper size, and this is very important that you select the right paper size. They have input there. And yeah, once you have selected paper size, make sure it looks great. You may need to change from landscape to portrait mode depending what you're trying to print, and change a few different settings over here. At the end, simply press print and the printing will begin on the printer. But I think it's much easier using the P-Touch software, especially if you never printed label before. So I have double-clicked the file I downloaded. I agree, install, finish, and now launch the P-Touch editor. So over here on the P-Touch editor software, you have all the different templates. Depending what you want to do, there is hundreds of them. So let's say you're working retail, just go in retail use, and as you see, you can edit every numbers, everything, and you can even change the exact look of the label. So for example, let me take a simple one, and before that I encourage you to click on use current media size. All right, let me pick this one, it looks interesting. So right now I can move around these. Okay, if I'm not happy with the placement, I can add numbers, I can write things. You see, it's a very complete software where you can customize exactly the way you want the label before printing it. So once you're happy with the result, obviously this is not pretty, but just for this video, what I will do now is to press the print button that is on the top of the screen right over here. You can press the save the layout in case you want to reuse it in the future and you don't want to start fresh every time. So I'll press print. You're going to have a few different things that you can change. Example, if you want the label to be cut at the end, stuff like that, and how many labels you want. And then you can press the print button. It's currently sending. And here we go. The label is out and it looks exactly as it is on the screen. So this can be very useful with all the templates that comes there. I'm pretty sure you're gonna find something you like. So this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, comment, check my Amazon links if you want to get new paper rolls, different kinds on Amazon. And I'll see you in the next one.